Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes, and today we will see how to prepare Birmi Karambal Sasmeat or else Bilimbi instant pickle or Chemmin Puli Achar as in Malayalam. This is an easy to prepare dish that can be had along with rice, idli or even dosha. It will stay for 2 to 3 days at room temperature and 1 week if stored in the refrigerator. Coming to the ingredients, you need 10 to 12 bilimbi, preferably the tender ones. Since I couldn't get the tender ones, I have used somewhat mature ones, not fully matured, but medium maturity. It is called as Birumbi Karambal in Konkani and Chemmin Puli in Malayalam. You need 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon mustard dal, and 1 teaspoon asafoetida, 3 tablespoons of salt and lukewarm water as required. This is the photograph of the bilimbi that I have used. Then you have to wash and cut the bilimbi into pieces. Next, you have to prepare a paste of chili powder, salt and asafoetida, adding little lukewarm water in a mixer grinder. This is how the paste will be. Only very little lukewarm water you have to add. Add this paste to the cut bilimbi. Also add mustard dal and mix well. You can even dilute it using lukewarm water if you want it somewhat flowing consistency. So your bilimbi pickle is ready. This is an instant pickle and you can store it for 2 to 3 days at room temperature or even 1 week. It will stay under refrigeration. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.